Hello guys, welcome to my channel Shake Hands with Programming. So today we'll move further with the topic relation of Java with C and C++. Okay, we'll see that how is Java correlated with C and C++. So basically here is C, this is C++. If we talk about C language, Java has derived some features from C language as well as some features from C++. If we see for the C language, Java has derived its syntax. From the syntax we mean the if-else statements, the looping, the conditional statements, array, and functions, and sequential statements also. If we talk about C++, Java has derived the OOPS concept from C++. OOPS concept basically consists of class, object, and inheritance. The full form of OOPS is the object-oriented programming language. Okay, so these both features make Java, not full Java, but these both features are included in Java. Okay, so this is the basic flowchart about the topic of relation of Java with C and C++. Okay, so now we'll move further towards our next topic, that is basically the installation process. How to install Java. Okay, so there are two ways we can install Java. The first is from filehippo.com and the second is from oracle.com. Okay, so first I like to tell you that filehippo.com is a much easier way. As oracle.com, I'll show you both the ways, how to download from both the ways. As Oracle needs license agreement and sign up from user, but filehippo.com just need a click and you are there with the download. Okay, so we will first see the filehippo.com method. I'll copy the link in the description so you can download it from there. Okay, so we'll move further. Okay, we'll search here filehippo.com. I'll copy this link in the description so you can copy it from there and enter. So here, as we can see, that we need to download this JDK 64-bit. I'll show you with the highlighter. We need to download the JDK. Okay, this JDK we need to download basically. Okay, we need not to download this JRE, Java Runtime Environment, need not to be downloaded. We need to download the Java Development Kit. Now we'll see that if we need to download 64-bit or 32-bit based on our OS. For that we need to go to our this PC, or we can say it my computer in some PCs. Okay, we'll click, basically we'll right click over here and we'll go to properties. Now here you can see, I'll highlight the portion for you guys. It is written 64-bit. Okay, you can see this. So we need to minimize this PC and we'll click on this download. After we click on this download, the download will initiate. Okay, this is the first method. Now if we talk about the second method, we'll search here Oracle, this will be small, oracle.com. Okay, after clicking over here, it will direct us to the home page of Oracle. Oracle is the company of Java. Okay, so here we'll click on products. On products, we can see there are two sections, infrastructure and applications. In infrastructure section, we'll go on software section, and under that section we'll click on Java. Now basically we'll move downwards, and here you can see there are four options: Java SE, Graal VM Enterprise, Oracle WebLogic Server, Java Card. On Java SE, we'll click on download Java now. Now basically Java 14 is an updated version, but Java 1.8 is standard version, and it is also free. And I also use Java 8 in my course, so I prefer you all guys to download this Java 8. Okay, we'll click on this JDK download. Now by moving, we can see here it is written Java SE Development Kit. Okay, you can see here it is written Java SE Development Kit. Okay, right here, Java SE Development Kit. This is the first option, and the second option is basically the Java Development Kit demos and samples. We don't need to download this. We'll basically download the normal Java JDK. Okay, now as I shown you, my OS is 64-bit, so I'll click over here, JDK download of. I will tick this checkbox right over here and click on this download. Okay, it will direct us to a page to create an account or sign up. In my case, as I have already created an account, I could sign in, but you guys have to create an account. This create an account will take a second while loading. Okay, so it's here. You need to give your email address, password, your country, your first name, and all these things. Okay, so this is very difficult way. So I just prefer that you download your files from filehippo.com, which I have already mentioned in the description. Okay guys, now once downloaded, we'll set the path for Java. Okay, that thing I'll mention in the next video. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys. See you guys in the next video.